If you're interested in becoming more self-sufficient and prepared for any situation, the Lost Frontier Handbook is an essential resource you won't want to miss. This book offers a wealth of practical knowledge, starting with medicinal remedies that our ancestors used, many of which you can make from items you likely already have at home. It provides step-by-step instructions on how to create your own painkillers, disinfectants, and even penicillin, all of which can be life-saving in an emergency. The book also dives into food preservation methods, showing you how to preserve meat and vegetables for years without relying on modern refrigeration or preservatives. Techniques like canning, smoking, drying, and pickling are all explained in detail. But that's not all. You'll also discover how to create a clean water system completely off the grid, something that can be invaluable in a crisis. Gardening enthusiasts will love the section on growing medicinal herbs even in small spaces, making it easier than ever to have a natural pharmacy right at home. There's also a survival ration section with recipes like Mountain Man biscuits that never spoil, making them perfect for long-term storage. The book teaches you how to thrive independently, without relying on stores or outside resources. It also includes important advice for prepping for future crises, whether it's a natural disaster, economic collapse, or something else entirely. Plus, if you act quickly, there are amazing bonuses included with the book, designed to help you level up your self-sufficiency. With the Lost Frontier Handbook, you'll gain practical, real-world survival skills that can be applied to any situation, making it an invaluable tool for anyone interested in living a more sustainable, self-reliant life. Don't miss out on this comprehensive guide to preparing for the future.